Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for September 2023. Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang Mr. Queen Power Bracelet. So para sa mga naghahanap ng Evil Eye Bracelets, available na po ang dalawang klase ng Evil Eye Bracelet sa ating shop. So meron tayong Selenite Evil Eye at Obsidian Evil Eye Bracelet. So parehas lang merong protection and cleansing properties. Ang kaibahan nga lang is ang selenite is nagre-recharge rin siya ng mga crystals and semi-precious stones na kasama niya. So pwedeng isuot nyo to alongside with other bracelets and i-recharge din niya yon. Ayan. And marami rin tayong iba pang mga bracelets dito for protection and also for healing, attraction ng money, love, and prosperity. Ayan. So, lahat po yan nasa aking online shop sa Lazada and Shopee. And meron na rin sa TikTok. So, pakicheck nyo na lang po. Lahat ng link ay nasa description. Happy shopping! Napakabilis ng panahon. September na naman. And ngayong September, astrologically, marami tayong planets na naka-retrograde. So, Mercury, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, at ang asteroid na Chiron. So, at some point, magsasabay-sibay silang naka-retrograde. So, I can't imagine the energies during this time. But, thread carefully lang. Maging maingat sa mga decision-making ninyo. Yung mga actions na iti-take nyo, make sure you know the consequences, okay? Especially with money and even sa relationships. Okay, and also, this is a general reading, so maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates, panoorin nyo rin yung Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus ninyo. And just a reminder, Capricorn, that you have the power to create your own reality. So, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, let's see. Capricorn. What's up with you ngayong September 2023? Leo, shine. It's your time to shine, Capricorn. Maaring mas magiging creative ka ngayon. You want to be the center of attention or nasa spotlight ka ngayon. Maaring you're going to have a lot of confidence, no, to pursue whatever you want to pursue. This can be a relationship or career for you. Saturn and structure. So, merong lessons learned din dito. And since ang Capricorn is ruled by Saturn, so I think marami kang mga matututunan from your past experiences na gagamitin mo, no, ngayong September. Like for example, sa career mo, yung mga natutunan mo na life's lessons sa trabaho, sa career mo, gagamitin mo yan para mas mapabuti mo yung sitwasyon mo ngayong September. And Saturn is also a planet of discipline and, you know, pagkakaroon ng structure sa buhay ninyo. So, I think meron kayong mga aayusin na situation sa buhay nyo na it's no longer serving your highest purpose at mag-focus rin kayo sa pagpapaayos ng kalusugan ninyo. You're also going to focus on what you are passionate about. This can be a relationship or a career, a business, and also trust. You're trusting the situation or you're trusting the process. Ano man tong papasukin mo. This can be a business, career, relationship. You will trust the process. That you are safe, you are secure. Let's see what else. What is your overall energy? For September, you have the King of Swords. Energy talaga to ng Saturn. So, very careful kayo sa mga decision-making ninyo. You wanna make sure na pinag-aralan, pinag-isipan yung maigi. And magiging maingat rin kayo sa mga taong makaka-deal ninyo ngayong September. So, this is your challenge, Knight of Swords. So, ang challenge nyo is yung pagmamadali. And ang Saturn din is Time Lord yan eh. So, maaring merong mga bagay na gusto mong gawin na or parang makita agad yung resulta na maaring mag-cause ng frustration sa'yo, anxiety, kasi you want na makita na yung resulta ng trinabaho mo. But, this is the time for you to be patient, no? Challenge sa'yo is wag magmadali. Yung mga bagay na kailangan may pagdaan ng proseso. Halimbawa, nagbe-bake ka ng ng bread. Syempre may certain process na kailangang pagdaanan yan bago makuha yung finished product. So, or else, pag kinuha mo agad ng hindi pa sa tamang oras, hilaw siya. So, ganun. Let's see your opportunity. Uy, Two of Cups. So, I see some opportunity when it comes to relationship for some of you. If you want this, Capricorn, kung gusto niyo ng romantic connection, merong merong sa paligid. But if you are not resonating with a relationship, this can mean a business partnership for some of you na parehong meron kayong interest, no, dito sa gusto nyong pasuking negosyo or business or project. And your blessing is the 8 of Swords. So as a blessing, it means na you are finally stepping out of your comfort zone. Hindi mo na iisipin yung sinasabi ng ibang tao. Yung mga limitations mo, you are finally removing that and you are trusting the process. And itong I'm seeing this as yung mga delays, yung mga bagay na hindi mo magawa or magagawa ngayong September. These are just parang energies na kung saan kailangan mo munang pag-isipan before pushing forward for it, no? So, let us see what else, Capricorn. It's time to focus on what you really think. Merong mga pagkakataon na naniniwala tayo sa sinasabi ng iba or nagpapa-influence tayo sa sinasabi ng iba. But you have a mind of your own na magagamit mo, no? Trust your instinct and also your analytical ways in solving any issues or problems. You are very creative. Meron kang mga creative na gagawin ngayong September. Something that you will commit yourself into it. It can be creative arts, creative design, or anything na nandoon yung passion mo wherein you are going to shine because of that. Okay? You also have Person of Fire. So, maaring you are going to be collaborating with some people na merong fire element, no? Or fire element is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Or maaring yung iba sa inyo meron kayong strong fire placements, like meron kayong Aries, Leo, Sagittarius placement sa inyong natal chart. And fire is about passion as well, no? So makes sense with the Leo energy here. So you're going to focus on your creativity, creating something that you really want, you are passionate about. So, let's see your money, career, finances. Yung iba sa inyo, you're going to focus on your business. Business to. Let's see. Style. So, you are going to express yourself through design and art. O, diba? Creativity. Using your talent. So, you're going to be creative with your finances na kung saan magbibigay ito sa'yo ng success. So, paano ba maging creative sa yung finances? Think about that. And, kumbaga, being creative with your finances, yung pagugulungin mo yung pera mo. Ibig sabihin is, you will not just, let your money sit there and do nothing about it. So, maaring may investment ka, mag-invest ka sa sarili mo, sa talents mo, sa skills mo, or pwedeng financial investments. See, you have the King of Pentacles, you have the 9 of Swords, and the 4 of Swords. Okay, some of you are going to heal your financial situation. Kailangan mo lang mag-step up talaga sa, pag-aayos ng iyong kaperahan. May mga stressful situation sa pera, but I think you're going to heal from that. Meron kang pag-iisipan, isa-strategize mo kung paano mo i-allocate yung pera mo ngayong September. And with the King of Pentacles here, this is about financial stability and security. So, yan din yung isa mo sa focus mo ngayong September. Business, yung iba for you, Capricorn, focusing on business and business partnership, using your creative talents and skills. And for your love life, may ex. So, maaring mag-ingat sa mga bumabalik na ex, Capricorn, kasi marami tayong retrograde na planets. Okay. although matatapos na yung retrograde ni Venus, pero meron pa yung tinatawag na retrograde, and Mercury is also in retrograde. So, good luck sa mga babalikan ng ex. O, diba? May 7 of Swords. Be careful sa intention ng ex na yan. It's time to focus on, ito bang pagbabalik na ex ng ex mo na to is, meron ka bang benefits dyan? Kasi kung wala, kung itong ex na to is magiging liability mo, then it's time to go to a different direction and explore new opportunities and possibilities. Okay? Be careful dahil meron dito na merong ill intentions. Baka ano lang to, babalik kasi meron siyang benefit sa'yo. Pero ikaw wala kang benefit sa kanya. O diba, intention. What if the only resolution you made was to love yourself more? Yes, Capricorn, self-love, self-care. Sarili muna. Your intention to love yourself and focus on saan ka mag-grow. Okay? If merong mga person from the past or, situation from the past na bumabalik at alam mo naman na hindi naging maganda yung experience mo doon, so anong sa tingin mo na kailangan mong gawin, 'di ba? Let go of that. And lessons learned kasi to with the Saturn energy here, merong gustong ituro sa'yo na life's lesson si Saturn na matututunan mo yan ngayong September. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Capricorn. See you again.